How to make $1,000 a month from a newsletter. Most people think newsletters are dead. They're wrong. Some creators are making 12 grand a month from email lists that started with 0 subscribers. And the weird part? They're not selling courses. They're not pushing crypto. They're just sending emails. Today I'm showing you exactly how to become one of them. Let's be clear about what we're doing here. This isn't a side hustle that takes 5 minutes a week. You need to commit, but if you're willing to put in 3 to 6 months of real work, $1,000 a month is absolutely possible. Some people do it faster. Some take longer. But I've watched this work dozens of times. And the pattern never changes. Here's the honest truth. Making money from a newsletter comes down to 3 things. 1. Building an audience. 2. Providing actual value. 3. Monetizing correctly. Most people fail because they try to monetize before they've done the work on steps 1 and 2. That's the mistake I'm going to help you avoid. Part 1. Build your audience the right way. You don't need thousands of subscribers to make $1,000 a month. I'm going to repeat that because it matters. You need maybe 1,500 to 3,000 engaged subscribers, not 100,000 inactive ones. That changes everything. Here's how you actually build it. You start by picking a specific topic. Not personal finance. That's too broad. I'm talking about something like how to optimize your Roth IRA, or building passive income under 30, or investing your Robinhood account for long-term wealth. Pick something you genuinely care about because you're about to spend months talking about it. Then you pick a platform. Most people use Substack. It's free. It's simple. It has built-in monetization tools. You set up your account in about 30 minutes and you're live. No excuses after that. Now here's where most creators mess up. They write one newsletter to their mother and disappear for 6 months. That doesn't work. You need to send something every single week. Not occasionally. Not when you feel like it. Every week. Same day. Same time. This trains your subscribers to expect you and actually open your emails. The fastest way to grow is finding your audience where they already hang out. That might be Reddit communities, Twitter, Facebook groups, LinkedIn. Pick 2 places and actually contribute. Answer questions. Share insights. At the bottom of your comments, mention that you send a weekly newsletter on this exact topic. Make it easy for people to find you. Growth gets easier around subscriber number 500. That's when people start forwarding your emails. That's when real momentum kicks in. But you have to survive to 500 first. And that takes discipline. Part 2. Prove your value with consistency. This part sounds simple, but it separates the winners from everyone else. You need to send genuinely helpful information every single time. Not salesy. Not spammy. Helpful. Let me give you a real example. If you're writing about investing, one week you might teach people how to set up their first index fund through Fidelity. Actual steps. Actual screenshots. Next week you might break down the difference between a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA using real numbers. 25-year-old Sarah invests $5,000 a year. After 40 years, here's what she has. People remember that. Your emails should feel like you're talking to a friend, not broadcasting to thousands. Because even though you are broadcasting, each person reading feels like it's personal. That's the magic. Most successful newsletter writers spend between 2 and 4 hours per email. That includes research, writing, editing, and sending. If you're writing 1,500 words once a week, that's realistic. Do that for 26 weeks and you'll have built something real. Track your open rates. If they're below 30%, your subject lines need work. If they're above 50%, you're doing something most people can't do. Part 3. Monetize without destroying your credibility. Here are your realistic options. First, paid subscriptions. Substack makes this stupid easy. You set a price. Say $10 a month. Offer exclusive content to paid subscribers. That might be deeper analysis, earlier access to information, or a monthly Q&A session. Even if only 3% of your free subscribers upgrade, and you have 2,000 subscribers, that's 60 paying members at $10 a month. That's $600 right there. Second, sponsorships. By month 3 or 4, companies in your niche will want to advertise. A single sponsorship from a brokerage or financial app might pay you $300 to $1,000. You might do 1 or 2 per month. Third, affiliate income. You recommend Robinhood or Fidelity. Readers sign up through your link. You earn commission. This alone makes $400 to $500 monthly for most successful newsletter creators. Combine all three and you're at $1,000. The key is never letting sponsorships overwhelm your newsletter. People subscribe for your take, not ads. Keep it 80-20. 80% pure value, 20% monetization. Respect that ratio and your audience stays loyal. This isn't fast money. It takes 6 months minimum. But when it works, it's real income from something you own. Not a job, not a boss, just you and your email list. If you're serious about this, start today. Pick your topic, create your Substack, send your first email this week. The people making $1,000 a month? They all started exactly where you are right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next finance strategy.